What's going on, YouTube? This is your boy Corey T, and I'm back with another video. I'm here to basically update you guys on my stock portfolio. But before we get into it, I do want to address a comment that was made, and I said I wasn't gonna do this, but I gotta be straight up and let you guys know what it really is. So for anybody who else feel like this is for you. So check this out. The comment said, had to unsubscribe. Man gives surface level advice in order to lure new investors into his Discord, which you would have to pay $10 to gain access to. Also, as for your email associated with your Cash App, so it's looking like a, I guess, phishing scam. Combined with the bot comments on every post, do better, brother. Could actually make bread not charging for community members. What? Bro, what? So let me address it. I'm gonna block out his name and whoever it is, whatever. First of all, go where you came from, because I ain't got time for that. You said I had to unsubscribe. First of all, if you had to unsubscribe, I'll leave a comment. Okay, second of all, you said man gives surface level advice to lure new investors into his Discord. I'm not luring nobody into the Discord. I'm you guys have a choice, and I want to put this out here. Everybody has a choice, right? I created a Discord because people were asking me to create a Discord. I didn't create a Discord just like, oh, I'm going to do a YouTube channel. I'm going to create a Discord and I'm going to charge people. No. I created a YouTube channel. Then they were asking me, hey, Corey, you might want to get a Discord. Corey, get a Discord. Then I got a Discord. And then I was like, you know what? To make sure that these people, it ain't just bots and all this other extra stuff. And I'm going to get to the bot comment section too. Comment that he made. And to make sure that it's real people that really want to do this, I said, let me just charge a little fee. But now that the group is getting bigger, okay, of course, hey, it's a lot of people in here, and we're giving out information. You getting direct information. It ain't no, oh, you got to wait till I upload the video. No, you getting direct information. And the reason why I feel like I'm coming over here to explain this is because I don't want nobody to feel like I'm luring people in. You can join or not. I don't care. But what I do care about is the money that I got on Cash App. Also, what else it said? It said, and what is that? Combined with the bot comments on every post. So I do have a bunch of bots in my YouTube channel that be posting. And when I first started out, bro, I was trying to delete them like crazy. Like, bro, why these bots? It's like, oh, thanks to this guy who won $50,000. No, bro, y'all can tell who real people and who not. Go to the videos where I say, hey, there's a drawing. You see all the names and numbers and stuff, bro. These real people, bro. So at the end of the day, I don't care what YouTube got going on when it comes to bots. I don't care what Twitter got going on when it comes to bots. I don't care what Discord got going on when it comes to bots. But with that being said, that's what it is. And could actually make bread without charging him. I'm making bread on Cash. I'm making bread on Cash App. So with that being said, I just wanted to come on here and address that because I felt some type of way. Don't try me like that. I'm not one of them people. Moving on. All right, back to what we came here for. I just had to give y'all a little entertainment for the day. But profile 3418, total investment 2935, gain $483. Today, guys, I'm gonna jump to it first because it caught my attention off guard. I was just watching the stock that I talked about in the last video. I said, hey, I'm gonna go ahead and drop a little more in. I dropped some in on Tuesday, and I was like, I just had faith in it. It started dropping, so I was like, oh shoot, well maybe I probably shouldn't have did that. Should have just kept 1,000 shares, but I had went in, upgraded myself to the 2,000 shares because I had a strong feeling about it. And then I was willing to take that risk. Then out of nowhere today, at roughly 1:30, the stock decided to go up to 49 cents. So it was a major jump today, and I honestly thought the stock was gonna go a little longer without increasing. But you know, with patience, you gotta chill out. It might even drop again tomorrow. Just slightly, and kind of coast out around the 45 percent, or not 45%, 45 cent range. Because when the stocks do that, when they do a big jump like that, and honestly, I can't really say that's really a big jump because it went from 40 to 49. It's big in the sense of cents, yes, but it's not big like it went all the way to $1. So if it went from 40 cents to $1, then I'm like, wait a minute. They finna do a pump and dump. They finna drop that money in and get the money out. But since it went up to only like 48 cents, I think it got time to kind of still find its way going up. That was a big jump today, so it could drop down tomorrow. It could go up tomorrow. I'm here to ride the wave. I'm gonna be in it. Like I said, the last video, they said how long you gonna hold for. I'm gonna be in it for about, I give it a year, honestly. With girl, I give it a year and see what happens. Or unless I feel like it's time to pull the money out, then I'll let you guys know, hey, I'm going to take my money out. Just like I told y'all before I even put my money in. I said, hey, I'm gonna put my money in and we're gonna rock out and see what happens. So I was willing to take the journey. Since I'm already up, total gain 128. I had a few people in the group that went ahead and sold some stuff. I think they had like a $54 profit, I think, and they went ahead and just took profits just to, I guess, know how I feel to take profits. I can't be mad at them. And like I said, I would never tell you guys what and how to move your money. Do what you want to do. When I first started the journey, this is, once again, learning purposes. Watch me. I'm showing you. I'm just the guy. So with that being said, man, that's how we rock out. So yeah, I did get a total gain of 128 off the 875 that I do have invested. Now I'm at 1,003. I'll take that. We're just putting money in and let it sit and let it build. I'll take that end of the day. Water drop still up. Today, well, I'm at 657. What did I make from water drop today? Let's go to daily return. Water drop actually flattened out, so I ain't made nothing from water drop. It didn't even start it and stop at somewhat the same spot. But it looked like it folded 6 cents to 4. Yeah, so water drop didn't do too much today. It just kind of did a roller coaster effect, and the heavy hitter today was Collaborative. Go figure. But with the other ones, and people keep asking about Ideanomics, notice it jumped up at the end of the day too, went back to 14 cents. I may throw a little something extra in there. Right now I'm at 829 shares. I might just let that one ride. I might see what that do. Off of 150. I just hope they don't do a reverse stock split or whatever. I'll be upset about that if they did that, or I wouldn't be upset. It'd just be like, come on, bro, not again. But we'll see. They just flatten out too much for me. But it is a fairly new stock. So give it some time. Let it breathe. Let it breathe real quick, you know. What else we got? This one at 13% today. That's not bad. These are just ones I'm following as well. What else we got? Biggest daily movers. I bet I see my boys down there. Yep, there they go. 22% up. What's this one? Oh, I have no idea what that one is, but we can follow it. Check it out. Anyways, let me get off topic. But man, I just had to come on here and update you guys on my portfolio. A few days ago now, let me say this before I get out of here. Grove was down negative, I think I was down negative 55 to negative 70 something dollars. So don't just think it's all peaches and cream when you're talking about total gains. I try not to make videos when I just come on here with gains. I should have made a video yesterday, but I didn't get to it. And then today, ironically, it went up. So go figure. But it's not just I'm gonna put money in here and then it's gonna just go up the next day. It's possible, but the likelihood of it is, slim to none. So don't just think, Corey said go invest in this, in a couple of days it's gonna go up. Also, to understand the stock market in itself, the stock market doesn't just go up because you drop in $10,000. Like if I go in here right now and put 10,000 on Grove, right? Think about it this way. I put 10,000 in. What did that just do? It increased the value of it, but the reason why a stock price go up, and a lot of people don't say this and a lot of people don't mention it, is because of, well, they mention it indirectly. Let me say that before I continue that statement. They mention it indirectly. What makes a stock go up is the fact that when you buy in, how willing are you to hold it and not sell it? Because once again, supply and demand. If they're demanding to buy the stock and hold it, that increases the stock price. But if you just everybody trying to sell it and get rid of it, that made the stock price go down. So when you put in and when the Corey T say, he finna buy this, and I'm gonna buy it too real quick. I'm gonna go see what the longer you hold it, it validates the security behind, okay, they have shares. We have multiple people from different angles, directions, cities, whatever. They all buying shares. So now, okay, well, how long they gonna hold it for? Let's see. Let's see real quick. Not saying that's you got somebody behind the computer saying, oh well, they're holding it for 3 days now. Not saying it's like that, but I'm saying in a sense, it does come down to the point like, okay, how many people are willing to buy? How many people are willing to sell? Once again, supply and demand. But y'all already know that, man. I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here, man. This is your boy Corey T, and once again, man, that's my portfolio. And thank you for sliding through. Yes, sir.